guys, so I am gonna be riding in the back of the truck. Back in the truck, baby. Our quarters. We're going 15,000 miles on the highway. Just kidding, we're just going down there to our new house because we're moving on Saturday, but we're just packing stuff and bringing it there. So I'll pause this until we are going. Toy store. Mom? Why does it say toy store? Thought it would be Toy Story. We're about to be heading to our new house. And it is so cool. You can never imagine it. I said it for a million times. We're going. Okay. Videotape this from the back. I'm not holding this. Yeah, boy, let's go. Oh, look at that car. Come on. Yes, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we're moving, guys. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is cool. Dude, we going. Oh, look at that, we're going so fast. Oh, it's the best day ever. Best day ever. Good breeze. Good bird. The good bird. Oh, it's a good day to be riding. Just up there and to the left, Just up there and to the left. Hey, I wish I was on top of that car riding, Just getting out of this mattress. This mattress is cool. Turn left, right up. Turning left, right up here, And yeah, right there. We're turning left, right there. That's not our house. Our house is over here. Woo, woo, woo! Freeway! Yeah, there we go! Wait, come on! Oh! Let's go! Jeez, so much fun! America! Dog walk, okay. Gotta get up, get out, and go get a piece of that pie. I'm going into the new house, boys. Ooh.
Troy, I for sure was feeling baby kicks today.
You were?
For sure. Like, can't feel anything right now, but I'll let you know. I could feel it more from the inside than the outside. But I'll let you know when I start.
Echo! There we go. Echo! Dang it, no more